I'm Csíkszentmihályi. I'm coming from the Madeira Interactive Technologies Institute. I think it's important to be here because the world is facing several different kinds of crises. It's facing environmental crises, climate crises, and a division of wealth that is rapidly running out of control. So we really need to be thinking about global solutions to this very dangerous trends that are happening right now. Regarding the UN Sustainable Development Goals, I think design needs to keep in mind that these are descriptions of symptoms. They're not actually descriptions of the underlying problems. So I think design needs to be very careful to not just put bandages on the symptoms, not treat the symptoms, but rather to look for the causes of the disease. And I think that many of the goals are related to each other. You can't solve one without looking at holistic solutions to the problems. So in my own day-to-day work, I address some specific challenges that have to do with community autonomy, that have to do with extractive industries, that have to do with community communications. And so I guess you'd say that the easiest fits would be the goals around peace, justice, and equality. But in fact, I think it's only when you have peace, justice, and equality that you are likely to have clean water, that you're likely to have clean air. So I see some of the goals as perhaps more foundational than others, but they're all very important. But some of the goals simply can't be solved without understanding economic injustice, environmental injustice, some of these other points. Without justice, you're not going to be able to meet any of these goals.